Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're talking about something essential, grammar, and why it matters.
Grammar is the foundation of communication.
Understanding grammar helps you express your thoughts clearly in speaking, writing, and daily life.
It's the structure that holds your English together.
By the end of this episode, you'll understand why grammar is so important.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what grammar really is.
Grammar is the system of rules that organize language.
It's like the blueprint for building sentences.
Without it, communication becomes confusing.
Let's explore why it matters.
Reason 1. Grammar makes your meaning clear.
Good grammar ensures people understand exactly what you mean.
Without it, your message can be confusing or misunderstood.
Example of poor grammar. Me go store yesterday buy milk.
Hard to understand. Better, I went to the store yesterday to buy milk.
Clear and easy to understand.
Grammar helps you communicate precisely.
Reason 2. Grammar shows you're educated.
Proper grammar makes you sound professional and knowledgeable.
In job interviews, emails, and presentations, grammar matters.
Good grammar creates a positive impression.
People take you more seriously when you use correct grammar.
It opens doors in career and education.
Reason 3. Grammar helps you write better.
In emails, reports, essays, and messages, grammar is crucial.
Wrong grammar in writing can confuse readers.
Example, let's eat grandma versus let's eat grandma.
One comma saves grandma. Grammar matters.
Good grammar makes your writing professional.
Reason 4. Grammar improves your speaking.
When you speak with good grammar, you sound more confident.
People understand you better in conversations.
You can express complex ideas clearly.
Good grammar makes you a better communicator.
Reason 5. Grammar builds confidence.
When you know grammar rules, you feel more secure.
You don't worry about making mistakes.
Confidence leads to better communication.
You speak and write without fear.
Where grammar is used in daily life.
Use 1. At work.
Emails to colleagues and bosses.
Presentations and reports.
Meeting notes and proposals.
Professional communication requires good grammar.
Use 2. At school.
Essays and assignments.
Exam answers and projects.
Class discussions and presentations.
Grammar affects your grades.
Use 3. In social media.
Posts, comments, and messages.
Even casual writing benefits from grammar.
People judge the clarity of your thoughts.
Good grammar makes your posts more effective.
Use 4. In personal communication.
Text messages and emails to friends.
Letters and cards.
Even casual conversations.
Grammar helps you express feelings accurately.
Use 5. In professional writing.
Cover letters and resumes.
Business proposals and contracts.
Official documents.
Grammar can make or break opportunities.
Common grammar mistakes and how to fix them.
Mistake 1. Subject-verb agreement.
Wrong. She go to school. Correct. She goes to school.
Subject and verb must match.
Singular subject needs singular verb.
Mistake 2. Mixing tenses.
Wrong. Yesterday I go to the store. Correct. Yesterday I went to the store.
Past time needs past tense.
Keep tenses consistent.
Mistake 3. Using wrong pronouns.
Wrong. Me and him went. Correct. He and I went.
Subject pronouns for subjects.
Use I, he, she, not me, him, her as subjects.
Mistake 4. Double negatives.
Wrong. I don't have no money. Correct. I don't have any money.
2 negatives make a positive.
Use 1 negative only.
Mistake 5. Confusing adjectives and adverbs.
Wrong. She runs quick. Correct. She runs quickly.
Adverbs describe verbs.
Adjectives describe nouns.
How grammar helps in speaking.
Benefit 1. You speak more fluently.
Grammar gives structure to your thoughts.
Your sentences flow naturally.
You don't pause searching for words.
Your sentences flow naturally.
Benefit 2. People understand you better.
Correct word order makes meaning clear.
Proper grammar removes confusion.
Your message comes across clearly.
Benefit 3. You sound more confident.
Good grammar shows you know what you're saying.
People listen more attentively.
You command respect.
Benefit 4. You can express complex ideas.
Grammar lets you build sophisticated sentences.
You connect ideas logically.
You communicate nuanced thoughts.
How grammar helps in writing.
Benefit 1. Your writing is professional.
Employers and teachers notice good grammar.
It shows attention to detail.
Opens career opportunities.
Benefit 2. Your message is clear.
Readers understand exactly what you mean.
No confusion or misinterpretation.
Communication is effective.
Benefit 3. You build credibility.
Good grammar makes you trustworthy.
People believe what you write.
Your opinions carry weight.
Benefit 4. You avoid embarrassment.
Grammar mistakes can be humiliating.
Correct grammar protects your reputation.
You present yourself well.
Real-life examples showing grammar's importance.
Example 1. Job applications.
Resume with errors. I has 5 years experience. I am very good in teamwork.
Likely rejected.
Resume with good grammar. I have 5 years of experience. I excel at teamwork.
More likely to get an interview.
Example 2. Business emails.
Poor grammar. Me and John wants to discuss about the project tomorrow.
Unprofessional.
Good grammar. John and I would like to discuss the project tomorrow.
Professional and clear.
Example 3. Text messages.
Confusing. Let's eat, John.
Scary. Are we eating John?
Clear. Let's eat, John, or let's eat with John.
Punctuation matters.
Example 4. Social media posts.
Unclear. You're the best friend I ever had.
Wrong your should be your.
Correct. You're the best friend I've ever had.
Small mistakes change meaning.
How to improve your grammar.
Tip 1. Read regularly.
Read books, articles, and quality content.
Notice how grammar is used correctly.
Your brain absorbs patterns.
Reading improves grammar naturally.
Tip 2. Practice writing.
Write journals, emails, or essays.
Practice makes perfect.
Review and correct your mistakes.
Learn from corrections.
Tip 3. Learn the rules.
Study grammar basics systematically.
Understand tenses, pronouns, and sentence structure.
Knowledge builds confidence.
Tip 4. Listen to native speakers.
Watch English videos and movies.
Listen to podcasts like this one.
Notice correct grammar in context.
Tip 5. Get feedback.
Ask teachers or friends to check your work.
Learn from corrections.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Grammar in professional settings.
In business, grammar shows competence.
Clients trust grammatically correct documents.
Colleagues respect clear communication.
Promotions favor those who communicate well.
Grammar in academic settings.
Essays with poor grammar get lower grades.
Research papers require perfect grammar.
Academic credibility depends on it.
Teachers notice and reward good grammar.
Grammar in casual communication.
Even with friends, clarity matters.
Good grammar prevents misunderstandings.
You express emotions accurately.
Your message has the intended impact.
Basic grammar rules everyone should know.
Rule 1. Use correct verb tenses.
Present, I walk. Past, I walked. Future, I will walk.
Rule 2. Match subject and verb. He walks, not he walk. They walk, not they walks.
Rule 3. Use articles correctly. A for general, the for specific, no article for plurals or uncountable.
Rule 5. Place prepositions before nouns.
In the morning, on Monday, at 3 p.m.
Grammar builds critical thinking.
Understanding grammar improves logical thinking.
You organize thoughts systematically.
You analyze information better.
Grammar trains your brain.
Grammar helps learning other languages.
Understanding English grammar helps with Spanish, French, etc.
You recognize patterns across languages.
Grammar concepts transfer.
You become a better language learner.
Grammar doesn't mean being perfect.
Native speakers make mistakes too.
The goal is clear communication, not perfection.
Don't be afraid to speak because of grammar.
Communicate first, improve grammar gradually.
Balance fluency and accuracy.
Don't let grammar fear stop you from speaking.
Speak confidently. Learn from mistakes.
Gradual improvement is natural.
Fluency first, then accuracy.
Grammar as a tool, not a barrier.
Grammar helps you. It doesn't limit you.
Use it to express yourself better,
Think of it as a helpful guide.
not a set of strict punishments.
Grammar in digital age.
Autocorrect helps, but isn't perfect.
Learn grammar to spot autocorrect errors.
Technology assists but can't replace knowledge.
Understanding grammar makes you tech-savvy.
Grammar creates opportunities.
Better jobs and career advancement.
Academic success and scholarships.
Professional respect and credibility.
Personal confidence and clarity.
Grammar is learnable.
You don't need to be a genius.
Anyone can improve with practice.
Small steps lead to big progress.
Be patient with yourself.
Start simple.
Master basic rules first.
Then add complexity gradually.
Rome wasn't built in a day.
Neither is perfect grammar.
Practical exercise.
Practice identifying errors.
She don't like pizza. What's wrong?
Should be, she doesn't like pizza.
Me and Sarah go shopping. What's wrong?
Should be, Sarah and I go shopping.
Practice makes you better.
Grammar in different professions.
Teachers must model correct grammar for students.
Lighters, grammar is their primary tool.
Lawyers, legal documents require precision.
Doctors, medical records must be clear.
Engineers, technical writing needs accuracy.
Marketers, persuasive writing requires good grammar.
Customer service, clear communication prevents issues.
Grammar in everyday situations.
Ordering food, I'd like a coffee versus me want coffee.
Asking directions. Where is the station versus station where?
Shopping, how much does this cost versus this how much?
Making appointments. I'd like to schedule versus me want schedule.
Grammar affects relationships.
Clear communication prevents arguments.
You express feelings accurately.
Misunderstandings decrease.
Deeper conversations become possible.
Grammar in texting.
I'm running late versus am running late.
Apostrophes matter even in casual texts.
Let's meet at 5 versus let's meet at 5.
Small details show care.
Grammar shows respect.
Using good grammar shows you value the reader.
It demonstrates effort and care.
People appreciate well-written messages.
It's a form of courtesy.
Grammar for non-native speakers.
Don't worry about perfection.
Focus on being understood.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Grammar improves with time.
Native speakers appreciate your effort.
Grammar myths debunked.
Myth 1. Grammar is too hard to learn.
Truth, anyone can learn with practice.
Myth 2. Native speakers don't need grammar.
Truth, everyone benefits from understanding rules.
Myth 3. Grammar makes you sound robotic.
Truth, good grammar makes you sound natural and clear.
Grammar creates career opportunities.
Better job applications get noticed.
Promotions favor clear communicators.
Networking becomes easier.
Professional reputation grows.
Grammar in social media success.
Influencers with good grammar gain more followers.
Posts with errors get less engagement.
Credibility increases with proper writing.
Your message spreads further.
Grammar helps problem solving.
Logical thinking improves.
You articulate solutions clearly.
Teams understand your ideas.
Collaboration becomes smoother.
Quick review.
Grammar is the foundation of clear communication.
Grammar helps you speak and write effectively.
Grammar makes you sound professional and educated.
It's used everywhere: work, school, daily life.
Good grammar opens doors to opportunities.
Common mistakes include subject-verb agreement, tense errors, wrong pronouns.
Improve grammar by reading, writing, and practicing.
Grammar helps in speaking by making you fluent and clear.
It helps in writing by making you professional and credible.
Don't fear grammar. It's a tool to help you.
Start with basics and improve gradually.
Remember, communication first, perfection later.
Grammar builds confidence and critical thinking.
It's learnable by anyone willing to practice.
Small improvements lead to big results.
Grammar is your friend, not your enemy.
Use it to express your thoughts clearly.
Master it to unlock your full potential.
You now understand why grammar matters.
It's not just rules, it's the key to effective communication.
Use grammar to build your confidence.
Express yourself clearly in all situations.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more helpful lessons.
Leave a comment. Share how grammar has helped you.
We love hearing your stories.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.